Qualcomm's new 8-core. 1. Qualcomm's new 8-core Snapdragon X Plus is set to revolutionize the Windows laptop market in 2024 by offering a powerful yet affordable alternative to traditional processors. This chip is designed to deliver high performance while maintaining energy efficiency, making it ideal for ultra-thin and lightweight laptops. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. 2. The Snapdragon X Plus not only improves speed and multitasking capabilities, but also integrates advanced AI features, enhancing user experience in tasks like voice recognition and real-time language translation. Its built-in 5G connectivity ensures that these laptops are always connected, offering faster internet speeds and more reliable network performance. 3. One of the most significant advantages of the Snapdragon X Plus is its impact on pricing. By reducing manufacturing costs, Qualcomm enables laptop manufacturers to offer high-quality devices at lower prices, making premium features accessible to a broader range of consumers. 4. The lower price point, combined with the chip's robust capabilities, makes these laptops particularly attractive for students, professionals, and casual users alike. As a result, we're likely to see a shift in the market as more consumers opt for Snapdragon-powered devices over traditional Intel or AMD laptops. 5. In summary, Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Plus is a game-changer, bringing powerful, efficient, and affordable laptops to the forefront of the Windows ecosystem. This innovation is expected to drive significant growth in the market, making advanced technology more accessible to everyone.